So, Project Zero Hunger Therapy. Everything is uh, mountains in Asia, there's mountains in Europe, mountains in America, in Australia, etc. Those mountains has non-bearing trees and non-bearing plants. We just had to replace those trees with fruit-bearing and vegetable-bearing plants and trees. Imagine all trees in mountains of Asia will be fruit-bearing and fruit-bearing and plants that will be vegetable-bearing. Imagine not only in Asia, now in Europe, in America, and Australia. It can not only eliminate hunger, but also sickness. Sickness, because we all know that the nutrients from fruits and vegetables are very much limited. And also it will affect the productivity of piggery, uh, uh, piggery, poultry, cow raising, those meat products that we love. Will also the pig will be so healthy, the cow will, and so they will give more good meat. So bacon will be bacon and pork chop, beef steak, etc. And other meat products. Imagine that the whole world will experience no hunger, zero hunger. That's why I call it Project Zero Hunger. Fruit, start from fruit bearing, vegetable bearing, plants and trees. The replacement of those. Regarding those trees that and plants, trees that are needed in lumber, well, old fruit-bearing trees can replace those. They can be used as lumber, especially when they get old. In numbers of them in Asia, in America, Europe, in the whole world, lumber will have more. We will produce more lumber, the rate of lumber, most numerous. Aside from those anything those non-bearing trees can have fruit-bearing trees will provide. Then lumber. Etc. Imagine mass production of fruits, veggies, plus piggery for chicken, pigs, and cows, etc. Plus the global warming will be will soon eliminated. Not even the whole ozone layer will It will heal because of them. Again, this is Small Antonio Pareño from Clan Pareño, Indonesia, Makalinaw, from Leyte,